Okay, here we have a 22mm pipe inspection camera. We're just going to do an unboxing for you and just show you the basics on how it works. So inside we have the reel, 20 meter reel. We've got the meter counter buttons on the side. One's to reset for 0, one's meters and feet. So we've got the 22mm camera head. So first of all, we'll just unattach it from that, and that's the way it should be in that hook there. Then we'll attach the camera head. And then we have the patch leads going from the reel to the unit. These we supply with a 1.5 meter length of cable, but we can sell you a 3 meter and a 5 meter. Visor on. Plug the power cord in. Turn the power on. And there you can see the camera head, the LEDs. We can turn the LEDs off and on, and we can also adjust the brightness of the LEDs as well. So in a moment, the digital video recorder will start turning on. That just takes about 10 or 20 seconds to boot up. You'll see it when it comes on in a sec. There we go. So if you switch between video 1 and video 2, video 1 is live feed, video 2 is the digital video recorder. And there you have the live view.